afternoon. Let's look at page number 209, question number 42. Now there's no extra number out in front of our root, so we can start with getting rid of our root. Oh, this is to the third power. That's going to be a lot of work. So let's get that part. 8x to the third minus 1. We have to FOIL out that part. 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. So we need to multiply those first parts out, which would give me 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then we have to multiply by that 2x minus 1 again. So let's combine our like terms. 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. So when I FOIL that, I'm going to get 8x to the third minus 4x squared minus 8x squared and plus 4x plus 2x and then minus 1. So let's look at all the terms that I have so far. I have 8x to the third minus 1 equals 8x to the third minus 12x squared plus 6x minus 1. So now let's see if we can get everything over to one side. I'm going to subtract 8x cubed from both sides. So that part's gone. I'm going to add that 1 over here. So that part gone and that part's gone. So now I have 0 equals a negative 12x squared plus 6x. That's all that's left. So let's look at this. What's our greatest common factor? I can pull out a negative 6x. So that would give me 2x plus 1. So now what are the roots of those two parts? Negative 6x equals 0. So if I divide by that, I get x equals 0. If I take 2x plus 1 equal to 0, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. Divide both sides by 2. So now we need to check and find out which one of those values actually works. So let's do that on the next page. We had x equal to 0 and x equal to negative 1/2. So we're plugging it into the function negative 3, 8x to the third minus 1 equals 2x minus 1. If I plug the 0 in, I'm going to get the third root of a negative 1 equals a negative 1, and that gives us a negative 1 equals negative 1. So the 0 works, that's okay. Let's try the negative 1/2. If I take the third root of 8 times a negative 1/2 raised to the third power minus 1. Let's see if I take 2 times a negative 1/2 minus 1. So here I'm going to get 8 times a negative 1/8 minus 1 equals a negative 1 minus 1. Here those 8s are going to cancel each other out. Factored out a negative. That should be minus, that should be minus, make that a plus, a plus, a plus. So if I go back over here, that'll be a plus, that'll be a plus, that'll be a plus. So inside that, we're going to get a positive number. That would be a positive number. So I have the third root of 1 minus 1 equals 0. Well, that's going to give me 0 as well. So both of those numbers work. Have a great day. Bye-bye.